Shenzhen Smoore Technology Limited. Smoore is a professional electronic cigarette company, composed of our own R&D department, manufacturing sector, sales team, and customer service team, all operating on a world-class level of quality. Since its founding in 2006, Smoore has always aimed to be the top worldwide electronic cigarette manufacturer, providing exceptional service to produce healthy, fashionable products. The goal of providing a healthier life has always been the driving motivation for the innovative efforts of Smoore in reaching the position we currently hold, and will remain the motivation for continued progress in future advancements. Smoore is a pioneer in the e-cig industry, maintaining a 25,000 square meter manufacturing facility held at international dust-free standards, employing 3,000 workers and producing up to 15 million units every month. Providing worldwide OEM/ODM services, Smoore products can be found in over 30 different countries, located in North American, European, and Asian markets. In order to increase UPH and production capacity, Smoore embraces the lean manufacturing concept, promoting 7S in the production process, improving line balance, and measuring the TAKT time cycle. Further innovative practices are continuously researched in order to ultimately provide the customer with the best products available. Smoore boasts a professional international R&D system, producing groundbreaking industry-leading innovation. We cooperate with domestic and international research institutions, owning numerous patents on our technology and products. Central laboratories are utilized to constantly produce cutting-edge technology, giving Smoore a distinctive competitive edge. Taking advantage of the largest comprehensive test base for electronic cigarettes in China, Smoore is a leader in quality control due to an excellent working relationship with certification agencies, as well as a flawless business platform. Smoore can provide customers a top market share with the shortest certification times and unmatched speed of operation. We believe we provide the best quality e-cigs, as well as the best customer service available. Smoore has a professional quality management team following the TQM concept, and our factories already received ISO 9001, GMP, WCA, and GSV certification. Our material resources comply with RoHS. And our cleaning rooms satisfied ESD requirements. Smoore maintains standard flow charts for supplier management, new material evaluation, process monitoring, outgoing inspection, reliability tests, continuous improvement, and customer complaints disposition. Our dedication to constantly improving safety, reliability, and consistency in our products is essential to creating the best experience for users. To achieve this, we maintain a close partnership with industry, academia, and research institutes. Additionally, we are committed to providing all employees an energetic, effective, and comfortable working space, translating innovative technology into a competitive edge in business. Customers can expect success in our goal of being the best and most respected enterprise in the electronic cigarette industry.